vlog, and today I'm gonna have to probably do a part 2 of this. So I'm only gonna do 1 minute, I think. So I have this, and oh crap, this is a Amazon box. So my mom got all of this for me. We went to Mark's and got this. Trying to hurry up so I could do all of this in probably one part. I hope so. It's not even that. It's good. It's a part. We got that from Mark's, and the thing is. I forgot what to write it. 10. Alright, so I have a whole bunch of monkey noodles. Not the Texas one. And I'm really upset that I didn't get the Texas. But my mom said, and this is also off of Amazon, I love monkey noodles. Literally. By the way, this is how they make rainbow puppets. They just line up the things, the monkey noodles, into how order they want it. And then just with monkey noodles, and it's weird because they melt them after, and then they melt them first, and then they freeze them, and then they melt them, and then they just twist it if they want it an all rainbow one. It's crazy, guys. So I didn't even tell what I was doing today. You guys can already see by the title, I think. So I have this pink, what is it called again? Oh, a pink monkey noodle, a yellow monkey noodle, a green monkey noodle, an orange monkey noodle, and a blue monkey noodle, and yeah. So I got this, and that was, and all my monkey noodles are from Amazon. And I got this wacky sack from Learning Express Toys. And then my mom got me this from Amazon. It's called a Shaggy Neato. And then I got... Actually, guys, I'll go see you guys in the next vlog. See you guys next time.